Good evening. Israel is celebrating its 60th anniversary, a reason to rejoice, but also an opportunity to return to the roots of its success.
A special W News investigation found that in a rare measure, the Jewish nation established a scientific infrastructure even before establishing an independent state.
Also unusual, Israel's first president was also the president and founder of an advanced multidisciplinary research institute bearing his name.
Israel grows side by side with the Weizmann Institute of Science. Details coming up.
Research Institute was initially made up of 5 departments: isotope research, biophysics, polymer research, biochemistry and microbiology, and applied mathematics. It was determined that institute researchers would conduct studies based on their own curiosity and the desire to better understand nature and our place within it.
Curiosity, the magic word that makes
In another breakthrough at the Weizmann Institute. 1954, Weizsäck, the first Israeli computer, among the first in the world. In the future, computer sciences will lead Israel to develop an advanced industry known as high-tech.
During this time and over the next decade, the Institute is considered one of the Weizmann Institute of Science attracts dignitaries from around the world. Back to our field reporter.
Yes, statesmen, scientists, artists, and many other important guests are yet to arrive. The Institute is a meeting place for creative minds.
In a new development, isotope separation techniques lead the Institute to establish Israel's first technology transfer company. The country's economy is in for a change.
In addition to research, Institute scientists involve themselves.
Children come from around the world to the Weizmann Institute in Rehovot. Some of them will become leading scientists. Others will lead Israel's developing economy.
Meanwhile, an advanced particle accelerator helps Institute researchers to position Israel at the forefront of world science. The seeds of a new science are already...
Institute scientists have begun developing alternative energy resources, creating new computer languages, and researching the immune system.
Thanks to the scientific and educational activities of Institute scientists, has become a fountain of knowledge and insight, playing a major role in the global high-tech revolution.
Institute discoveries already help save millions of lives worldwide. And now, another Israeli success story.
Institute scientists develop Copaxone and Rebif, the leading drugs for treating MS, improving the quality of life for countless sufferers. As a result, Israeli pharmaceuticals become a major force in the international arena.
Electro-optics and new encoding methods developed by Institute scientists also contribute their share.
Nanomaterials invented by Institute scientists.
21st century. The future is here, but Weizmann Institute scientists are already shaping the upcoming decades. Now it's time for the forecast. Let's welcome our forecaster, Daniel, who will lead us into the future.
Thanks to the curiosity and achievements of Institute scientists, Israel can look forward to a promising 7th decade. Now, Institute scientists are developing new alternative energy. Life sciences, incorporating mathematics and physics, are about to take off. Mathematicians, physicists, and biologists cooperate in brain research.
We asked Prime Minister Ehud Olmert on a recent Institute visit about its role in Israel's future.
המכון הזה הוא ללא ספק הפנינה שבכתר. ככל שיהיה יותר גדול, ככל שיגיעו אליו יותר רבים, זה ייצור תשתית הרבה יותר רחבה למצוינות בחברה הישראלית כולה.
The president, Mr. Shimon Peres, visited the institute. Our reporter met with him.
זה מכון מיוחד במינו. אני זוכר שפעם כאן היה כאורח רוברט אופנהיימר. הם שאלו אותו האם הוא לא חושב שבמדינה קטנה כמו ישראל, מכון ויצמן זה מכון יותר מדי גדול. זאת אומרת, תגדילו את המדינה. וזה מה שמכון ויצמן עושה. מבחינה מדעית.
And that's the way it was.
Thank you for watching this special report, the story of the Weizmann Institute and the land of milk, honey, and science. Special thanks to the guest of honor tonight, the animated character Srulik, who was drawn by Cariel Gardosh, known as Dosh.